It was a Friday afternoon experiment to test a crazy hypothesis, and then when the first experiments came in, then we started believing that this could potentially be a novel asthma treatment.
Where there are 270,000 people living in the UK with uncontrolled asthma, and I think for every single one of those, just even the thought of this potential drug would be absolutely life-changing.
I think that it's a very exciting potential development because it hits an entirely new target, unlike most of the drugs that are currently used for treatment of asthma.
If you suffer from asthma, it's like being stalked by a killer. You never know when it's going to strike. 1 minute you can be normal, the next minute it's a bit like having somebody creep up behind you with a plastic bag and put it over your head.
The fact is, in the UK, 3 people die every day of asthma, and that's a terrifying statistic.
They take every drug we've got, and they often turn up at the local A&E department when they need to be in a place of safety. That's what they do. They don't have a life, they have a disease.
We're really excited about this discovery. For the first time, we have been able to show that there is a link between airway inflammation and airway twitchiness during asthma. What we've also discovered in preclinical models of asthma and in cells from human patients, that there is a drug which can stop this from happening and therefore potentially a novel cure for asthma.
The other exciting discovery that we've made suggests that these drugs may be able to be repurposed for other inflammatory lung diseases, such as chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Now, that disease kills tens of millions of people every year, and currently there is no cure. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease is a rebranding of several lung disorders, such as emphysema or chronic bronchitis, which we might call smoker's cough. I see no reason why our preclinical data cannot be translated to the clinic to produce a cure in a very short time.
The next stage is finishing some of the key preclinical studies, but the majority of the funding we will need in future, of course, is taking this to the point where it can be translated to man.
Investors have the opportunity to join an initiative which could potentially lead to a life-changing treatment for millions of people worldwide.